Hi, this is Team Talker, and these are our team members. First, we're gonna just show you how our code runs in the terminal. And first, we have to log into our MySQL database. And the Reddit database is what we create for this lab. We use Reddit. Okay, and now the database is changed. The main Python file is what we have for this lab part 1, and we just run main.py to see what happened. And because for this demo video, a script 5,000 posts is will take a lot of time. So here we can just script like 50 posts. And now you can see the driver open the Firefox browser and it scrape the posts and also scroll down automatically. Now it's scraped successfully and also the data processing part is also finished. And now we can choose to just print out the results in the terminal or we can store it to our database. Here we choose to. And next we have to input the database configuration so that we can connect to our database. And the example is here. And we just follow the example. And we see just now the database name for this lab is Reddit. So we have to type in Reddit here. And now this is the data frame we scraped from the post and we conduct data processing to it. It has title, keywords extracted from the title, the author, the masked author, and a timestamp. And now we can store it. And actually there is another feature, which is the image source link, but we found that the most posts in the Reddit, the image actually doesn't contain much text. So it is like not productive to scrape an image and conduct an OCR to it, as it will take a lot of resources and time, but it doesn't contain much text. So we just exclude these features for the clustering part in for this lab 4. And now we have to enter the table name we want to store this data. So let's just make it like demo video, okay? Demo video. Now it tells us the data is stored successfully. We'll go to the MySQL database and see. And this is the table we created just now. So let us just see what is in the table. And you can see the data is stored successfully to our database, and the content is just exact the same as the one that are printed in the terminal. So that is basically what we do for the lab 4 part 1. And next we can take a little bit look at the code. And this is the whole Python script we have. And first of all, let's take a look at the script part. For the script part, we have to use the Selenium because it is a dynamic web scraping. We can use the Pro API as mentioned in the PDF as well, but we found that the Pro API is not flexible because it has request limits for the post. So we just choose to use Selenium in the end. And this part is the scrolling to make the driver scroll down the pages automatically. And these are code we use to scrape the title, author, timestamp, image, a source link. And next, my teammates is going to talk about what they do in the data processing part.
I will showcase the data processing part of this lab. So some of the package that we need is NLTK, and we need to download the stop words and punct. And those three are the dependencies for rake NLTK. And we also need this package to do data masking. So let's run that. And then this is after we run the script function, we get the data frame. And here is what the data frame looks like. So for the process function, so first we have we just do drop duplicates just in case. And then we go, we create a keyword list and we go through each single title. And for each title, we create a rake object and we do extract keyword from test. So then it will basically know that which text are we working with. And then we will do the score phrase pair. It will return a list of tuples, which the first item of the tuple is the score, and the second is the key phrases. And then we are filtering so that we will only like take in phrases that has score 5s and up, so we don't want scores that is too low. And then we will also limit the number of key phrases to 5, so we don't have like too many key phrases. And then we append to the list, and then we make another column for it, which is called keywords. After that, we will do a mask user. So for each username and author, we will use this function, that hash account. So for this function, the same username will be hashed into the same mask, basically. So if we want to do like which user did what, it's still possible without revealing their identity. And then we return the process data frame, and let's run this. And then let's see what we have. Yeah, so now we have keywords, and then we have the masked username.